my cousin. She's so bad. She even falls her crock. It's so bad. Wow. 1 year later. This is my cousin in 15 years. Look at her. She's preparing herself. Meow. What do you say, guys? Good or bad? You decide, guys. 1,000 years later, she got better, guys. Look at this. She's preparing herself. Yeah. Look. She said she can do it more farther. Look at this place, boys.
Let me show you guys.
Guys, this is my cousin. That was good. I'm not going to laugh.